Hello everyone, Mirka Rebecca here. I'm here to show you my bullet journal for the summer. These are the one I currently use right now. I'm gonna make a new video to show you these ones, but first I'm gonna show you the summer one. In this summer one, I did something that I never did before, and what I did was I used it as a bullet journal planner, bullet journal, kind of draft drawing, Fox Bonishi kind of notebook. That's what I did here. And I use a bigger one. I think this is called the A4, regular notebook size. And I did that because I was gonna go to Puerto Rico. I went to Puerto Rico and I went to journal and add pictures of our vacation, and I thought that this was gonna be the perfect size for that. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I'm gonna show you what I did. So just a sticker and this bright color, very summery one, and then here my key. Usually I have been doing bullet journals since 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I'm not sure. And I have been using the same key for a while, so now I already know. But anyways, I always write it down. My name, my contact information. I never put my cell phone there. I'm a coward, just leave an email. You can reach me that way. Then I did the index. Usually I start very pumped, very motivated with the index, and at the end I never use it, but let's see. And I always left a lot of space for the index, and at the end I never use it. So I did a future log, and I used very good the June. I used very good the July, not really, but we were in Puerto Rico almost the whole July, so I didn't do much. And I didn't use at all the August one. So I think this is something that I will not put in my next one. So June, I put the calendar there. That was at the end of the school year, so I have a lot of stuff to write down, so that's what I did it. And some random notes I took, so I glued it there so I didn't lose it. And then I tried to do a weekly here with the dailies and exercise, everything in one place, but I never ever came back to it, so I didn't do it again, I think. And then I start my dailies. That's the way I do. That's the way I work better with dailies. And then I start doing dailies and drawing dailies, and then I was journaling. I had pictures about my day, what I did. The same thing here, my schedule, some journaling, pictures, concert, and all this stuff. We went to the zoo and a field trip with my son. I work in his same school, so I was working one kid that is right here under my hand, and the same thing, my schedule, the journaling about the day. And it's not necessarily scrapbooking, but I love doing scrapbooking, and I usually do 12 by 12 albums, and I love it, but I don't have the time. And at the time I go back to make the album, I don't remember what happened. I think this is gonna be awesome for the time I go to this summer. I'm gonna have something to make reference to see what happened if I ever get to that year. So the same thing, my daily schedule, my journaling. I play my son was, some random notes, math. I used to be a math teacher, so a lot of people come to me to ask me for help them with math problems. I always do it in the same notebook at the moment. Some journaling. If I don't have anything to do, I just skip the day without problem. This was my first sketch for my classroom. That was a random picture I did with color pencils. The same thing, this is my furniture. This is the space I have, how I was playing, trying to figure out how to do it. My nephew's graduation, my other nephew graduation. Again, more sketches of the same area, more sketches in a different place. Very easy day, work, not much. And journaling, and my schedules. And then that was the last week I was gonna be in Puerto Rico before going to, here in Washington before going to Puerto Rico. So I did a super easy week, one view, the same thing here, same week. And again, more sketches, school, the graduation of my oldest, the prize he got. I have the space for a letter I want to add here that a teacher sent it to me about him. And then the last day of school and my little boy birthday. And I love it. I love this system because I can see everything what happened, and it's a perfect to check and save memories. Summer went to Puerto Rico. This is becoming a super long video. I'm so sorry about that. And more journaling with pictures, all the stuff we did, all the places we went, beach, 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 family, family, family. July, the same thing. In this one, like you can see, I didn't do the monthly because I really never use it. So more pictures, family, Puerto Rico, food, a lot of food, and a lot of stickers. I love stickers. Another, I was making calculations about what box to use. More Puerto Rico. And I have a few spaces. You can see the pictures I need to print. I didn't do it. More of my vacations. I saw my friends. That was the best summer ever. Then we're back. So scheduling, notes at a class I was with my son. More scheduling to do for the week. Scheduling, August. I didn't know that month for August either. I have working so much, changing craft room areas, and you can see I can put 3 days in one day if I don't have that much, so I squeeze it in. I will do it. I didn't have too much to journaling. After we came back, I was mainly working at home, doing stuff at home. Random notes. That was my food log for the week. Again, these are pictures I need to print to put there. Oops. More spaces for pictures. I need to print them out to add them. The same thing. And these are lists that I want to do. Random notes. More lists, more lists. More math. AM routine. My whole routine. And even when I still have a few more pages to go, I stop here in August because this size is more like to be at home kind of planner, not to be carrying it with me in my purse. I use small purse, so this doesn't fit in my purse very well, so I don't want that size for my dailies now on. So now I had the little ones I show you, and I changed my system a little bit. I'm gonna see if that works, and I'm gonna make a second video to show you my new system. So please check it out, and see you soon. Bye.